Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're giving you an exclusive first look at the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Malibu Premier. This sedan redefines elegance, power, and cutting-edge technology in a way that's hard to ignore. From its bold design to its impressive engine and luxurious interior, the 2025 Malibu Premier is here to make a statement. Stick around as we break down every detail. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow car enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring you the latest in automotive reveals and reviews. Starting with the front, Chevrolet has made sure that the 2025 Malibu Premier grabs attention the moment you see it. The front grille is bold and commanding, with a large modern design that gives the sedan a powerful upscale appearance. Chrome accents surround the grille, creating a high-end look that's sleek yet aggressive. The iconic Chevrolet bow tie sits proudly at the center, making it instantly recognizable. The headlights are designed to impress, with sharp angular lines that match the grille's boldness. These headlights integrate advanced LED technology, ensuring not only a premium look, but also optimal visibility, day or night. Moving to the side of the Malibu Premier, it's clear Chevrolet has prioritized elegance and aerodynamics. The car's proportions are well balanced, with a low, sleek stance that suggests both stability and agility. Flowing lines run along the body, creating a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. The wheel arches house eye-catching 19-inch alloy wheels, adding a sporty touch to the sedan's elegant profile. Chrome accents around the windows further enhance its premium feel, and the sculpted side panels catch the light beautifully, adding depth and sophistication to the Malibu's silhouette. Now, let's take a look at the rear. The back of the Malibu Premier maintains the same upscale and refined design language we saw at the front and side. The taillights are styled to mirror the sharpness of the headlights, featuring a distinctive LED light signature that's both stylish and highly visible at night. The chrome accents continue here, adding an elegant touch to the trunk line. The dual exhaust outlets give the Malibu a sporty finish, while the Premier badge proudly signifies this model's top-of-the-line status. The rear design is a testament to Chevrolet's commitment to creating a sedan that looks powerful from every angle. Under the hood, the 2025 Malibu Premier doesn't disappoint. Chevrolet has equipped this model with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering around 250 horsepower and 260 lb-ft of torque. This power is managed through a smooth, responsive 9-speed automatic transmission, allowing drivers to enjoy both a comfortable cruise and a sporty drive. The Malibu Premier's engine is engineered for both power and efficiency, providing quick acceleration when needed and a quiet, refined ride for daily commutes. Chevrolet has also improved the suspension and steering, ensuring the Malibu is as comfortable on city streets as it is agile on winding roads. Stepping inside the Malibu Premier, you're greeted with a cabin that blends modern luxury and high-tech features seamlessly. Chevrolet has chosen high-quality materials throughout, including soft-touch surfaces, premium leather upholstery, and subtle chrome accents that give the interior a polished, sophisticated feel. The seats in the Premier trim are ergonomically designed, offering heating and ventilation options to ensure comfort in all weather conditions. The spacious front seats provide excellent support for long drives, while the rear seating offers ample room for passengers, making the Malibu a comfortable choice for families or carpooling. Now let's talk about the price. The 2025 Chevrolet Malibu Premier starts around $37,000, positioning it as a luxury sedan with excellent value in its class. While it may be a bit higher than some competitors, this price reflects the Malibu Premier's premium features, powerful engine, and refined styling. Chevrolet has crafted a sedan that not only competes with, but stands out among other mid-size sedans on the market. So, there you have it, the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu Premier, a sedan that combines elegance, performance, and advanced technology to offer an impressive driving experience. With its bold design, powerful turbocharged engine, and luxurious interior, the Malibu Premier is ready to redefine what a mid-size sedan can be. If you're considering a new car that delivers on style, comfort, and tech, the 2025 Malibu Premier is definitely worth a closer look. What do you think of this new design? Could this be the next car for you? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.